Hi everybody, I'm Felicia here from the Luggage Lab to speak with you today about Briggs Riley's new and updated Rhapsody Collection. Now you all know we stock the best brands here at Briggs Luggage, and what makes Briggs Riley stand out particularly among a lot of the other brands are their lifetime guarantee. The Rhapsody tote is right here. This is a sleek tote. It's perfect for travel. It doesn't take up a lot of latitude space. It's more elongated, so you're not going to have trouble going through doors. This is more for a person that likes to be on the move, who needs a lot of space in their bag but doesn't want to carry anything that's going to be wide. Now the features on this bag, it has here where you can carry this like this. You can put it over your shoulder. There's a pass-through on the back, so you can put the pull handles through here and put your bag on the top of the suitcase. There is a zipper right here, right behind the pass-through. So if you want to put some boarding passes in here. This is a great personal item bag. I love that it's narrow because it makes it easier to be able to put it under the seat in front of you, tuck these in like that, and then you have access to your bag right here and all of the zippers. They're gonna have kissing zippers, which are essentially they're zippers with these little round metal loops on them, and those are so that you can put a lock on there should you want to lock your bag. There is a padded spot right here for a laptop or other device such as an iPad. I've got this laptop right here. Then you have like little pockets in here for business cards, pens. There's like little pen and pencil slots, and two credit card size pockets, and two larger pockets in there as well. Another zippered compartment. It goes pretty deep into the bag. This is the bottom base of the bag right here. Great thing about the Rhapsody collection is they're very light. The material is smooth, so if you do spill something on here, you can easily wipe it off with a wet cloth. This next bag over here is also in the Rhapsody collection. It's called the multi-pocket cabin bag. This one also fits most 15-inch laptops. There's this button leather snap. So if you want to snap the handles together like this, you can, just to kind of keep everything together, easy to grab when your plane is about to take off. On the back, we do have the pass-through. There is a zippered compartment behind the pass-through. On the front here, there are zippered compartments. This one has two on the front. It also gives you a shoulder strap option, so if you don't want to carry it like this, you also have the option of hooking that shoulder strap. They've given you a nice padding on the strap so that it's easier on your shoulders. The strap is adjustable, easy to adjust, smooth fabric, so you're not having to battle with it or hurt yourself trying to adjust it. These clips are pretty easy to use. You're gonna attach these cross vertically. If I wanna wear it crossbody, like this, perfect. The inside of this, you're gonna have a place to put a larger laptop and another device like an iPad or a Kindle. The larger laptop would go into the back compartment, and then the smaller iPad would go into the front compartment. Now the base of this bag is fairly substantial, so you have a lot of room for other things like clothes. Also in this bag you have slots for pens, business cards. It's quite a bit of open space to give you a lot of flexibility. The next bag that I'm gonna look at is this backpack right here. It is called the medium backpack. This is a 20-liter capacity backpack, which isn't the largest, but it would be good for like a weekend trip. And so this is a really cool looking backpack just at first glance. This is something I would totally use. It's got a front pocket right here on top of another larger pocket. On the side here is another pocket that is gusseted so it extends and expands out. There are so many things you can use this for. One thing that comes to mind is a water bottle. You could also put an umbrella in here as well. And then there's a similar pocket on the other side. It has a pass-through on the back. Behind the pass-through is this hidden pocket, zippered pocket right here behind this pass-through. It opens like so. And in here you can put things like your passport. There's a leather handle on this as well. I haven't pointed this out yet, but on these bags they do have a monogram patch. It says Briggs & Riley on this side, and on this side we can put up to 3 initials on here in different colors. The laptop compartment is at the rear of the bag, which is ideal for your back. You don't want to have it pulling back, so this is good. It's padded, substantially so, which should protect your laptop. There's another padded spot just right above it. So if I wanted to put this laptop in here and the iPad, it's not going to be a problem. This 20-liter backpack gives you a lot of open space. There is another slot right here which has padding on the back, so this gives you even more options to put another device into here. There's also another zippered compartment right here on the interior of the bag. This larger bag right here is the Weekender Tote. The weight of this bag is approximately 2.8 pounds and its capacity is a whopping 47 liters. Similar to the vertical tote and the cabin bag, this one has the leather carrying handles. It also has this nice leather strap to button the 2 straps together. It has a pass-through on the back. Like the other bags, it has a pocket behind the pull handle pass-through. It's got a pocket on the front right here. The drop bottom on this is fantastic. This gives you so much space for shoes. This bag comes with the padded strap again so that you attach it cross vertically and can wear it crossbody or just over one shoulder. Gunmetal aluminum clips strap to the bag cross vertically, which is great for the distribution of weight. And I would wear mine like this. This is not that big for me. I'm a short girl, I'm 5'4". This I would not have a problem with. On the inside of this bag, there are places to put your laptop and other devices. This 15-inch laptop would go right here. And then there's another slot for an iPad. Yoink. Just like so. There is a ton of space in here for clothes. You're gonna have 2 slots for pens right here. You're gonna have places to put business cards, and then 2 other compartments, which I like to put my phone into. And then there's gonna be another zipper compartment right here. An amazing bag. What's great about these bags are the colors correlate with the new Simpatico collection. You can get a matching suitcase in olive, black, or navy, which will go great with your bag. You can check these out on our website, liebers.com, or come on into the store anytime, 6515 Manal Boulevard, just across from Furniture City on the corner of Manal and Georgia. Our friendly staff can help you choose the perfect Rhapsody piece for your needs. We're also locally owned and operated. So head down to Liebers Luggage today and check out the new and improved Rhapsody collection, where we have everything but the trip. Thank you.